Hi, I'm Katelyn O'Friel from Astoria, New York, and welcome to my vintage humble abode. I really love home decor, DIYs, antiques, and vintage finds. So this house or apartment is kind of like a collection of those items. So I really love it, and it's a place where I can get to be creative and show my passion. It was really hard to choose just one item to focus on, but I decided to go with my 1970s vinyl tufted pink headboard. I got this headboard from an estate sale in Connecticut. I really wanted a pink tufted headboard and came across it on an ad in Craigslist, believe it or not. And yeah, it's actually a really big headboard. It's 10 feet wide. It's a California king size headboard. So every time I move, I need a really big bedroom for it to fit. And my realtor is always like, "Are you married to your headboard?" And I guess you could say I'm probably in a polygamous relationship with all my antiques.